If you have experienced something horrible and have developed psychological symptoms such as flashbacks, fears, sadness, or sleep problems, you may well be helped by EMDR, a proven and effective therapy. Suppose you have been confronted with a violent crime, an accident, you have been bitten by a dog, or you have had to deal with sexual abuse or violence at home. Such a powerful experience is stored into your brain with a lot of emotions. Once such a memory is stored in your long-term memory, it can bother you for quite a long time. The disturbing memory keeps coming back unintentionally, for example with feelings of powerlessness or believing you are not worthwhile. EMDR therapy can help you get rid of these complaints and feelings. At first, an EMDR therapist will ask you to activate the memory of this disturbing experience from your long-term memory. The memory is now stored in your short-term memory, also called the working memory. Then the EMDR therapist will ask you to focus on this horrible event. From there, the therapist will move his fingers in front of your eyes rapidly back and forth and ask you to track his fingers as best and as fast as you can. By keeping a traumatic memory in your mind and tracking the fingers of the therapist at the same time, the working memory gets to process a lot of information at the same time. As it is so much information, the image becomes blurred and loses its emotional charge. When the emotional charge of an image lessens, it also becomes easier to think differently about the experience. You will notice this because you feel less powerless or you feel worthwhile again. The intrusions have gone and you feel less anxious. You feel less depressed, you sleep better, and because you have managed to leave the experience behind you, you start enjoying life and looking forward to the future.